In this video, I am going to show you how to change your resume visibility on Indeed. Step 1. Go to the Indeed website and sign into your account. This will take you to your main account dashboard. Step 2. On the Sign In, locate the Resume section in your account. This is where your active resumes is stored. Look for an arrow icon or a setting button next to your resume. Clicking this will open a menu or a drop-down with various options. In the menu, look for the option labeled Searchable on Indeed and Not Searchable on Indeed. These control who can discover your resume through Indeed's search function. Select either Searchable on Indeed to make your resume visible or Not Searchable on Indeed to keep it private. After selecting your desired visibility setting, make sure to save your changes. There should be a save button or a confirmation option nearby. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Some tips for managing your resume visibility: consider your job search strategy, update it regularly, and review privacy settings. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.